Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, me and Hershey here has got an unbox for y'all. It is a new set of Dinnet Cushions and a new Jackknife sofa for our RV. We're fixing to start opening boxes. We'll take everything out and show you what we got. One thing you need to be sure of is as you open these boxes, be very careful because you don't want to cut your new cushions. I'm using just the very tip of my knife here. This is nice. They've got them packed in this nice bag, looks like. Yes, they do. Undo this knot here. I'm going to pull them out. These should be the bottoms. Give us a few minutes. We'll get it all pulled out and laid out for y'all. Y'all can see it. We have all the pieces laid out. Back here we have the different pieces for the dinette, the bottoms, the back. Here are the 4 pieces for the couch that you got to assemble. I was wondering why you had to assemble it, then it dawned on me, you got to get it through the door some way. You take all 4 pieces, put it in your RV, put it together, mount it to the floor. It's all here, it looks nice. No rips, tips, or snares. So now we just got to put it together and put it in.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventurer.net for our blog and Amazon store.